curry. Myself, Laxminarayan Ray, Indian chef at Visitani, Manila. For making a home-style chicken curry, you will be needing chicken, potato on the bone, diced onion, diced tomatoes, ginger garlic paste. That's basically making a paste out of ginger and garlic, some cilantro chop, some green chili, and some pre-cooked fried potatoes. For the spices, we'll be needing cinnamon stick, cumin powder, cumin seeds whole, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and lastly salt. To start to make home style chicken curry, we'll need a pan. Then we'll add our vegetable oil. Let the oil be heated. Then we'll start with our whole spices that consist of cinnamon, cumin, and bay leaves. Now we are going to add our ginger garlic paste, followed up powder spices, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and a hint of turmeric just to give a color to the chicken curry. Ginger garlic paste and chili powder comes to this consistency. We are going to add our chicken cubes into it. I like my chicken curry to be added cilantro now, just to give you more flavor inside while sauteing. So our chicken is going to only cook. Onions and tomatoes are cooked now. We are going to add water. Make sure we add just the right amount of water that's needed to get the chicken cooked. We're going to simmer the flame and we cover it. After 10 to 15 minutes, we'll check our chicken. It's cooked now. Then we can start with some sauce. That will go very nice with some basmati rice, or you can serve with your butter naan. Here is my chicken curry. Enjoy your chicken curry, or in Hindi we call it Chalo chicken curry ka aanand lo.